Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I just did a Walgreens haul, so I thought I'll give you a quick updates on what went well and what did not. So not everything went well today in my haul. So let me give you quick updates on what transaction I did and what are the items I purchased. Okay, so in total I did 4 transactions. My main target was to get a couple of register rewards so that I can do a spend deal, and then I only need to pay a little out of pocket. So that is why I got two Revlon Kiss Balm. So these are on deal for buy one get one 50% off, and then when you buy two you will get $4 register reward. So since I had some points, I wanted to use those points to make this purchase and then get the register reward. So I tried to make this $10 so that I only have to pay very less out of pocket. So as you can see here, in this transaction what I did is I got two Revlon, and then this Bix stationery is this one, especially the pencil, mechanical pencil was on deal for $1.99. That is the price, and then there is a $1 of digital coupon, and then this is something that was on clearance and it was priced at 49 cents, I think. So let me go over the receipt here. So the two Revlon Kiss Balm is one is $5.29, another is $2.64. Buy one get one 50% off. Bix mechanical pencil is $1.99, and then the bar is 49 cents in the clearance. And there is no digital coupons for Revlon, but there is one a dollar for the mechanical pencil that I explained earlier. So my subtotal was $9.41. With tax it was $10.40. I used 10,000 points, and then I paid 60 cents out of pocket. So for all this I paid 60 cents out of pocket and got one $4 register reward. So the next item I did is the Kellogg's Fruit Loop, two Kiss Balm, and then an eraser. Let me show you the receipt. The Revlon is $5.29 and $2.64. Kellogg's cereal is $1.99 for this one, and there is a 50 cents digital coupon here. And then for the pink eraser it is 49 cents. So my subtotal was $9.91, and then with tax my total was $10.75. I used 10,000 points and then paid 75 cents out of pocket. 75 cents out of pocket for all this, the second transaction. I got $4 register reward for Revlon. So far I had two register rewards, and then from the previous week I had $2 register reward. I forgot for which I got. I think it was for the big Solel razor. So I used those one for this spend deal. So for the spend deal, what I also had is the paper booster of spend $30 get 6,000 points. So I wanted to make a transaction which is more than at least $30, and so that I can use that paper booster. And this week the Always, and then the Big Tides, some paper towel, they are on deal for if you spend $20 get 5,000 points, I think. So what I did is I used that one and then add some extra to make it $30, so I could club everything together. So Always is on deal. These pads are on deal for buy one get one 50% off, and then when you spend $20 get 5,000 points. And not all the always pads are on deal, so when you are like, if you want to do this deal, make sure that you scan the products and then see like it is on that deal. So I got 4 of those always pad, and then I also had a digital coupon for all, and all detergent or the Snuggle are on deal for $2. The price is $2.99, and there is a $1 digital coupon. So you'll pay $1.99 one for each. But I also had a digital coupon of buy 2 get $3 off. So here is the problem that I had in this transaction. And then like since I was using I think 4 register reward, I had this one as a filler item, and this is 49 cents. And I also had 2 $4 digital coupon for always pad. So buy 2 get $4 off, buy 2 get $4 off. So let me show you my receipt. So as you can see, always pads are $9.99, and another is half off, so that is $4.99. I got 4 of those. And all laundry detergent is $2.99 times 2 is $5.98, and 1 eraser is 49 cents. I handed over the spend 30 get 6,000 point 6,000 points paper booster. I had 2 digital coupon for always pad worth $4 each, and then these are the 4 register rewards that I use: $4, $4, $2, $2. Those $2 are from previous week, and then these 2 $4, oopsie. So the 2 $4 are from the Revlon deal that I did before this. So my subtotal was $16.43, and with tax it was $17.08. Here's the problem that I had. Even though I had that buy 2 get $3 off on the all detergent, that did not get applied. So and like I already, like, I spent so much time already on this store, so I said like, okay, never mind, maybe like I can call the customer service later and then ask to reimburse my coupon value, so which I will do later. So my total out of pocket I paid was $17.08, and then what I got is $14,240 points, out of which 6,000 is for the paper booster, 5,000 is for the always deal, and then this week there is also a 10 times everyday bonus point. So since I paid I did a spend deal, I got, my total was more than $30, right? So that's why I got 3,000 points for the 10 times everyday bonus. So that was 14,000 points. I paid $17 and I got 14,000 back, so it is $3. Yeah, almost $3. The total is almost $3, but I'm planning to call the customer service and to ask for my $3 digital coupon for the all detergents. So hopefully they will give me my 3,000 points back. Here's another catch, or like, here is another problem that I had. So if you have watched my previous video where I said like about the 10 must-do deals, I mentioned that there is a I bought a rebate for all detergent. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, but this product does not qualify. I'm not sure which one qualifies for the rebate, but at least this one does not. Even though the the picture on the rebate shows all Oxy stand lifter Oxy. I also check like it has like 4-in-1, like everything except for the load. But except for the load, everything matches. But still, it did not. Ibotta did not rebate me. Like it did. This product did not qualify for that rebate. But Ibotta, so in the Ibotta app, they have clearly mentioned all specific varieties, any size. So I don't know what is the problem. So yeah, that's the uh, bad luck, I would say. Otherwise, like this would have been a money maker deal for me. So 2 hiccups was all because of this all detergent. And then on my this is my last transaction that I did. I wanted to do another laundry care. So this Tide detergent is in deal for so the price is $4.99 each for the laundry detergent and then the pot, and there is a $2 off digital coupon for detergent and $2 off on the pots. So as you can see here, as you can see, $4.99, $4.99, and then Snuggle, as I mentioned earlier, they are on deal for $2.99, and there is a $1 off digital coupon. And then just to make it like a $10 so that I can pay less out of pocket, I used I purchased some sponge scrub, which actually I needed. I was out at my home, so I got that one. And then what I am noticing is there was a store coupon of $1, which is great. I didn't know about this. I thought it was $2.99, but now like when I see there is a store coupon of $1, that's awesome. Any surprising money saving is always good. I was really upset about the all detergent, but now like when I see this receipt, I'm happy. At least I recover $1 somewhere. Okay, so as you can see here, like Tide Pods, I have like $2 off digital coupon. Liquid has $2 off digital coupon, and Snuggle is like $1 off. So my subtotal was $9.96. With tax, it became $11.46. I used 10,000 points and then paid $1.46 out of pocket. So yeah, that's all the items that I purchased today. It was overall, I would say it was okay deal. It would have been a money maker if I could have submitted my all detergent receipt to Ibotta. But as of now, for all of this item, if I get $3 3,000 points back for my all laundry detergent, all of this item would be $2.69. So all right guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like this deal, and do remember, like if you are doing all detergent all laundry laundry care deal, make sure that if you are doing Ibotta rebate, make sure like that is a qualifying product, and also make sure that your digital coupon gets applied if you are using that $3 off on 2. But if you are doing just a single one, like here I did for the Snuggle, my $1 off digital coupon got attached without any issue. It's just the $3 off on 2 which had the issue. Yeah, that's all guys. Let me know what are the deals that you will be doing or you have done, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.